Hello everyone! This video is about why there's a strange rattling sound coming from the rear shocks of my car. When I looked under the car, I realized that one of the fuel tank brackets had broken off. I can still drive with this issue since the tank is secured by several straps, but the sound of the loose strap hitting the tank and the car's underbody is very annoying. So I got under the car, and from the inspection pit, I found the strap that holds the tank in place. From what I can tell, it just snapped. The part where the strap attaches to the body is still there. As you can see, this is how it was attached, and for some reason, it broke at the attachment point. Now, I'm going to try and remove this fuel tank strap so I can take it to a welder, just in case he can fix it. My car is almost 25 years old, but luckily, all the bolts still come off without any issues. I removed the strap bolt, and I'm really glad to see that there's almost no rust on the car's body. The strap itself isn't rusty either, so it didn't break because of corrosion. Most likely, it was due to the load from the fuel tank. So here's the broken strap. As you can see, there's a mounting point here, but on this side, it's already gone. Next, I'm heading to a welder to have this part of the strap welded back together. So there was a bit of an issue with welding the strap. The thing is, this car has aluminum straps. No wonder they didn't rust over the years. There's no corrosion on them at all. We tried welding it, but it immediately started crumbling, and the welder couldn't fix it. So I had to go to a salvage yard and buy an identical strap from another car. Here's the strap I got. It looks good, and most importantly, all the mounts are intact, and there are no cracks. Now I can put the strap back in place by screwing in the two bolts. Looks like that's it. I've tightened the strap. Hopefully it'll last a long time. As you can see, fixing this car isn't difficult at all. That's all for now.